Hello everyone, today I will make one more flower pot. Make sketch. Today I make something color. I'll use the Polygon. Okay, 100 millimeter. Yes, I think. I use the shortcut F6 so I can see all fast. I need some construction lines for the sketch. Okay, here and here we see why I need this. So this I constrain here. Also this I will constrain the center point. One more polygon, something like this, but construction. Two lines, something like this, 100. Okay, this I finish. What I need to make the lines, making this line, I need to make parallel here, and this for this. Now is about finished. I must cut some lines what I not need now. This I not need. Cut them. It's very good. Let's see. Okay, I need something like this. I finished. Very nice. Now I extrude about 100 millimeters, but I want so change the angle 20 degrees, something like that. Okay, at 6, and I will make mirror for the object. Mirror, object, okay, plane here, join, I make join. This one very good now. This is what I need. Now I can use little fillets. Down about 10 millimeters, 20 millimeters. Okay. That's good. I also need some fillets. Then blue. Okay. I need only the lines here. Why we see now. Project is very simple. Okay, I make about 100 millimeters. It's very nice. I like something like this. Okay, I make the fillet before I make the shell, full shell before I use them. I need to remove the base. Okay, and we make 3 millimeters blocks. Also I make here the fillet. One and a half millimeter. It's very nice now. It's almost finished. Still hot. I want edit the sketch. Okay. Here I need some here. About 10 millimeter I think is very good. Okay. Now what I need, make extrude for the sketch, for this to make. Okay. I need to cut for the distance of the object. Okay, we cut. Now we have here a hole in it. Very nice. It's almost finished. Still not. Okay. It's very good. Now I will change the name here. Rectangle Flowerpot body. It also will sell the project. I will change the name a little because it's not what I want. It's Polygon flower. About rectangles. It's okay. Name this Flowerpot Polygon, something like this. Almost finished, still not. We must make one more thing. I use the sketch what I made before. Make one more sketch here. My project, this line. Need only this. Okay, this project. Now I finished the sketch or not. Now I will extrude about 30 millimeters up, but also then shall I make 20 degrees. And I extrude this down 3 millimeters. Join, it's okay. Now I use the fillet 3 millimeters, I think, not much. Here is okay. Now I use the tool shell here. I need to 3 millimeters wall. It's okay, I think. Yes, it's very good. It's nice, but it's still not finished. Let's make one more sketch and I use the slope. Okay, here to here, about millimeter. Okay. Finish. Now I extrude this about 6 millimeters. Make fillet here. 3 millimeters is very nice now. Okay. Now I need to make the mirror, not mirror pattern, cycle pattern for the features. The features I get from here. Okay, something like that. For this axis, 6, yes, 6. Okay. Now it's finished. I only change the name here. FB 10. It's okay. Now I turn on the body. Make the inspect here. I click this. It's okay. What I need little move up. This body. I use the shortcut M. And I up for 6 millimeters. It's okay. I think it's okay. Now it's very good. So that. Turn on with this. What I need more? I need more. Make something. One small thing. This. So one from the side. Set this and make this go inside to the object. Something like that. Cut. It's okay. Yes, now it's finished, I think. It's very good. Flowerpot Polygon is finished. I save them. I can make here the colors. If I will shade this. Shortcut A. I must use them 2 times. Okay, now I make some colors here, like pines. Okay, so this color I will use here, something like that. Yes. Now it's okay, I think. I have new flower pot and it's finished and ready for print. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.